Hi everyone! Today in Math and Logic I want to show you how to memorize with association squares of numbers up to 25. Why 25 and not 20 or 30? There is a recurring pattern in squares of older numbers, and the first 25 squares are basis for it. If you memorize this, it will be half the battle to quickly calculate squares of numbers up to 100, which I will show you in later episode. This will help you to effectively use the method of squares of multiplying numbers. Let's get to business. I will not insult you by saying anything about squares of numbers 1 to 4. 5 to 10 also should not be a problem, as it probably burned into your brain in primary school, but just in case. Squared 5 is 25, squared 6 is 36, so the same digit at the end. 7 squared is funny, because 49 is just next to very round number 50, and 7 is otherwise nightmare for multiplication or division. 8 squared is 64. 8, 6, 4. Make this association with counting down even numbers. And 9 squared is 81. Connect it with this. 9 is 8 plus 1, 81. Okay, let's get to seconds then. Usually, associations are made based on last digit of number squared. Notice that squares of numbers sharing last digit also have the same last digit. First 3 squares can be recalled from this basic pattern. It starts with 1, then double the digit, then square the digit. Simple. And so 11 squared has a lot of 1s. 1, 1 plus 1, and 1 squared. 121. 12 squared is 1, 2 2s, and 2 squared. 144. 13 squared is 1, 3 plus 3, and 3 squared. 169. It almost works for 14. It would be 1, 4 plus 4, and 16, so 196. I think it's easier to remember previous square, 169, and the reverse order of digits, 169 to 196. Or you can remember that 14 squared is just 4 short of 200. For some squares, as you see, I have a few ways to memorize it, so just pick one for yourself. Squares of numbers ending with 5 are easy. They always end with 25, and we will talk about it more another time. 16 squared is the same as 2 to the power of 8. It's 256. An important number in IT, as byte, is 256 bits. If it means nothing to you, then maybe remember that this square starts same as previous square ends. 17 squared, it's 289. 7, 8, 9. Easy to remember. 18 squared is 324. 32 is multiplication of 8, and so is 24. But I remembered as this. 8 times 3 is 24. 324. Nice, huh? 19 squared is 361. It's best just to memorize it, but if you rotate 19, you get 61. Okay, final 5. Next two squares have a lot of 4s. 21 square is 441. 22 squared is 4, 4 plus 4 and 4. Or in other words, 2 2s squared is 4 4s. 23 squared is 529, and it's best to just put it into your head. But you can fall back to this little association. 2 3 squared is 29. Yeah, it's just best to remember this one. Just deal with it. 24 squared is just 24 short of 600, and 25 squared is just 25 above 600, as it always ends with 25. And that's it. I think the hardest numbers to memorize can be those 3, so put some extra effort there. Let me know if you liked it or have any improvements, and next time I will show you this recurring pattern with bigger squares. In the meantime, you can subscribe to my channel and check my method of squares or videos about job interview logic puzzles and problem solving. Thanks for watching.